Picture this. It's 1,989, and the automotive world is about to witness something extraordinary. A newcomer luxury brand is preparing to challenge the established titans of Mercedes-Benz and BMW. But Toyota didn't just want to compete, they wanted to dominate. And at the heart of their audacious plan was an engine so meticulously engineered, so obsessively refined, that it would become legendary. This is the story of the Lexus 1UZ-FE. The V8 that proved Japanese engineering could not only match German luxury, but surpass it in ways no one expected. An engine so bulletproof, it's FAA approved for aircraft use. So reliable, it routinely exceeds 1 million miles. And so well built that even today, enthusiasts are swapping it into everything from drift cars to drag racers. In August 1983, Toyota chairman Eiji Toyota made a decision that would change automotive history forever. He initiated what was internally known as the F1 project, standing for Flagship 1. Though it was often referred to as Circle F. This wasn't just another car development program. It was Toyota's Manhattan project for the luxury car market. The mission: create a world-class luxury sedan that could go head-to-head with a BMW 7 Series and Mercedes S-Class. But here's the kicker. Toyota gave its engineers no budget limit and no deadline. The only mandate was perfection. Over the next 6 years, Toyota would spend approximately $1 billion pursuing this goal. To put that in perspective, that's about $2.4 billion in today's money. Chief engineer Ichiro Suzuki led a massive team of 1,400 engineers, 60 designers, and an additional 2,500 support staff. This was Toyota's most ambitious project ever undertaken. The scale was unprecedented. The team purchased Mercedes-Benzes and BMWs, drove them to a resort town outside Tokyo, and methodically disassembled them piece by piece to study their inner workings. But studying the competition wasn't enough. They needed to understand the customer. Toyota engineers conducted extensive focus groups across the United States. And what they discovered was fascinating. While older Americans remained loyal to Cadillac and Lincoln, Mercedes owners presented a different story. They loved the prestige of their cars, but complained about reliability issues, expensive maintenance, and poor dealer experiences. This was Toyota's opening. The development process was exhaustive beyond imagination. Over 900 experimental engines were built and tested. That's not a typo. 900 prototypes. The team accumulated over 1.67 million miles of testing worldwide before the engine ever reached production. While most car models go through 5 or 6 full-size clay models, Suzuki demanded 14 before approving the final design. Over 100 cars were crash tested before production began. The attention to detail was obsessive. The team spent 2 years just finding the perfect leather for the interior. They sourced wood from Yamaha, the same company that manufactures pianos, to ensure the finest grain and acoustics. The paint job utilized special crystals that made the car appear to change color in different lighting conditions, requiring at least 5 coats. Even the key was meticulously designed. Suzuki claimed to have studied every car key in production to create what he considered the finest in the world. When the 1UZ-FE finally debuted in 1,989 inches, the Lexus LS 400, it represented a masterclass in V8 design. The engine displaced 4.0L, or 242 cubic inches, using an all-aluminum construction that was still relatively uncommon for V8s at the time. The bore and stroke measured 87.5 millimeters by 82.5 millimeters, making it an over-square design. Now, here's where things get interesting. In 2007, David Courier, vice president of TRD USA, revealed something fascinating in an interview. He confirmed that the 1UZ platform was actually based on kart and IndyCar racing engine design. Toyota essentially took race-proven architecture and adapted it for the street. This explains many of the engine's unique features. The block featured 6-bolt main bearing caps instead of the typical 4-bolt design. Most production V8s used 6 counterweights on the crankshaft, but Toyota used 8, 2 more than standard practice. This wasn't just for show. These additional counterweights were crucial for achieving the silky smooth operation that would become the engine's signature characteristic. The cylinder heads were dual overhead cam aluminum units with 4 valves per cylinder, totaling 32 valves. Unlike most V8s, where the water pump is driven by the crankshaft, the 1UZ's water pump was driven by the timing belt from the camshafts. The connecting rods were forged steel, lightweight yet incredibly strong. The pistons were hyper-atectic, providing excellent strength and thermal characteristics. The crankshaft was forged steel with 8 balance weights and supported by a 5-bearing design. The 1992 Camry shocked the industry with build quality and fit and finish standards previously seen only in luxury cars. The complex flush window stamping and flowing one-piece roof were modeled from processes learned building the LS 400. The triple-sealed frame doors used indented rubber gaskets, similar to Tupperware containers, a level of detail unheard of in mid-size sedans at the time. The success of the 1UZ-FE forced German manufacturers to respond. Mercedes-Benz famously scrambled to make last-minute improvements to the W140 S-Class after the LS 400's debut. The rush resulted in cost overruns and a base price of $72,000 compared to the LS 400's starting price of $35,000. Mercedes chief engineer Wolfgang Peter lost his job following the W140's troubled launch. BMW accused Lexus of selling the LS 400 below cost to put them out of business. While not true, it showed how disruptive the LS 400 and its 1UZ-FE engine were to the established order. The German brands eventually adapted, but they were forced to raise their game considerably. The Lexus 1UZ-FE stands as a testament to what's possible when resources, talent, and an unwavering commitment to excellence come together. Toyota's billion-dollar gamble paid off spectacularly, creating not just a great engine, but a legendary one. An engine so good it could power luxury sedans to 1,000,000 miles, earn FAA certification for aircraft use, and dominate in motorsports with 4-digit horsepower. From its inception in the secret F1 project to its continued relevance in today's tuning scene, the 1UZ-FE has remained a symbol of Japanese engineering prowess. It proved that reliability and performance aren't compromises, but complementary goals when executed with sufficient skill and dedication. Whether you're a Lexus owner cherishing the smooth, reliable power of a stock engine, or a tuner pushing the limits with forced induction and race-spec components, the 1UZ-FE delivers. It's an engine that rewards care and proper maintenance with decades of trouble-free service, and it responds to modifications with power levels that would be unthinkable from lesser designs. So, the next time you see an LS 400 quietly accumulating miles or a drift car sideways with V8 thunder, remember the story behind that engine. Remember the 1,400 engineers, the 900 prototypes, the billion-dollar investment, and the unwavering pursuit of perfection. The 1UZ-FE isn't just an engine. It's proof that when you refuse to compromise, greatness is achievable. This has been the story of the Lexus 1UZ-FE, the over-engineered V8 that changed everything. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Japan's greatest engines, hit that like button, subscribe for more Japanese engine spotlights, and let me know in the comments what engine you'd like to see covered next. Thanks for watching, and remember, perfection isn't an accident, it's a choice.